and welcome to paper solution of engineering drawing December 2013. Myself Arpan Pandit and I am from Atmiya college. This is the part 1 of the paper solution of engineering drawing December 2013. We will see step by step procedure how we can solve the problems given in the paper. Let's have a look at the question number 1. The question number 1 is, we need to divide a 69 mm long line into 6 equal parts. Now, by this method, we can divide a line into 6 equal parts. If we want to divide a 60 mm line into 6 equal parts, then it would be a very easy process. But if we are having any alternate kind of length, then if we need to divide that length, then we need to use this method. Now let's have a look at how we can do the division of this 69 mm line into 6 equal parts. First of all, we'll draw a 69 mm long line. First of all, we will draw a 69 mm long line. Drawn a 69 mm long line, naming it AB. I have named the 69 mm long line as AB. Let's give it a dimension to it also at the starting itself. This AB line is 69 mm long. I am giving the unidirectional dimensioning system. This length is 69 mm. Now I need to divide this AB line into 6 equal parts. Now this is a very undefined kind of length, 69. If we divide 69 into 6, then we will have something in point, right? So what we are going to do, with point A at any random angle, please note that at point A at any random angle I will draw a line which is easy to divide into 6 equal parts. So I have drawn the line of 60 mm, 10 mm each division. I have divided this line into 6 equal parts. Let's call this line as AC. Let's call this line as AC. Give it dimension with itself only. This line is 60 mm long. This line would be 60 mm long. Now when we look at this, we can divide this line AC into 6 equal parts very easily. Now what we are going to do the next, we will join this B and C. We will join this BC line. Now either you can use your set square or you can use your roller scale to take the parallel lines to this BC line. Take parallel line from all this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 to BC line. Make sure that you are drawing exact parallel line to the BC. You can choose either set square or roller scale to draw the parallel lines. Most of the students nowadays using the roller scale to draw the parallel line. I have joined 1 to 1 dash, 2 to 2 dash, 3 to 3 dash, 4 to 4 dash and 5 to 5 dash. So this is how I will get the equal divisions of this 69 mm line using this 60 mm length. Let's repeat the procedure once again. What I have did, first of all I had drawn a 69 mm long line. I have named it as AB. At any angle, at any random angle to point A, I have drawn a 60 mm long line, naming it as AC, dividing that line into 6 equal parts, which means that 10 mm of each. Let's name this as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Join this BC line. Join this BC line. Now parallel to that BC line, you need to draw the intersecting line to AB from point number 1 to 5, one by one. By this method you can divide any line into n number of equal parts. So this is the method to divide a line into equal part. This method is called line division method. This method is called line division method. We will have a look at our next problem. Our next problem is we need to construct a hexagon of side 25 mm by general method. Now this is the problem of drawing a polygon using the general method. Now we can draw the hexagon using various methods. We can either draw the hexagon by universal circle method or by general method. Both are in the same field. Now when we have said that we need to draw a side 25 mm, which means that the polygon would be 25 mm side, but number of side would be 6, as the given is hexagon. Now let's have a look at how we can draw a hexagon of 25 mm side using the general method. What we are going to do first of all, we will draw a line of 25 mm. Over here, for better viewing purpose, I am taking scale 1/2. I am taking scale 1/2, hence I am mentioning that I have taken scale 1/2. Scale is equal to 1/2. Now I have drawn this line AB of side 25 mm. Now I need to take the bisector of AB. How we can take the bisector? Take A as center, AB as radius, draw arc on upper side and draw arc on lower side. Clear? Take B as center, AB as radius, draw intersecting arc on upper side and intersecting arc on lower side. Very simple. Join both intersecting arc with a center line. Join this intersecting arc with a center line. Now this intersecting line, this bisector line where it intersects to the AB line would be called as point A, O. Point O. Now taking point O as center, OB as radius, draw a circle, semicircle rather. Let's name this point as point number 4. This is point number 6. Now we need to draw a hexagon. So what I am going to do, I will take 6 as center, B as radius, 6B as radius, drawing a circle like this. Now we all know that all the polygons are either inscribed or circumscribed. What is the meaning of inscribed and circumscribed? Let me clarify to you once. All the polygons would be constructed around the circle only. Like this, we are having two circles. If a polygon is inside the circle, then this polygon should be called inscribed polygon. This is inscribed polygon. Now, what is the circumscribed polygon? If the circle is tangential to the polygon, if the polygon is tangent to the circle, which means it is outside like this, then this kind of polygon can be described as circumscribed polygon. This fundamental should be clear while you are drawing any sort of polygon. If the polygon is inside circle, then it is called inscribed, and if the polygon is constructed outside the circle, then it is called circumscribed. Now we were drawing a hexagonal polygon. We have drawn circle. Now what we are having, we are drawing inscribed polygon, which means that polygon would be constructing inside the circle. The side length is 25 mm. Taking A as center, radius as AB, mark a arc on the circle. Again mark a arc on circle. Over here, mark a arc on circle, mark a arc on the circle. Join this arc in terms of a polygon. Join this arc in terms of the polygon. we will have a hexagon very much ready. Let's name this polygon at A, B, C, D, E, F. We have given the nomenclature to the same. We will give the dimension also. The side length is 25 mm. Side length is 25 mm. So this is how you can draw a hexagon using general method or universal circle method. Let's repeat this procedure once again so that you can have a clear brief idea. What first of all you are going to do? First of all you are going to draw a line of 25 mm. For better viewing purpose, I am drawing line of 50 mm. Hence I have written scale 1/2 over here. Let's name this line as AB line. I have taken the bisector line AB, A as center, AB as radius, arc on both sides, B as center, AB as radius, intersecting arc on both the side. Join both this arc with the center line. Now if we want to draw the hexagon, name this intersecting arc above as point number 6. Take 6 as center, 6B as radius, 6 as center, 6B as radius. Draw a circle. Draw a circle. This polygon would be inscribed, which means that we'll have AB as radius, A as center, arc